What's good, y'all? BTC the Villain back with another unboxing for some shoes I caught last Friday, and this guy here is Tuesday, so let's get right into it. All right, guys, here we have a LeBron box. These are my first pair of LeBron, so this is kind of new to me, also. So you have all these things, I guess, pertaining to Akron, Ohio. As you can see, Akron Court Limit. Then St. Vincent St. Mary, the Irish, and all that stuff. LeBron signature with a Nike sign. Sorry. Alright. LeBron 7 quick stripe black varsity red size 13 USD $200. If I just flip this tab up here and pull these out, I'm already loving the presentation. If I just pull these out, oh my, ooh, woo, these are hella dope. What? As you guys can see, these are LeBron 7 Fairfaxes. Fairfax PE. It says Fairfax right there. All right, just to get a little bit more in depth, as you can see, it's an all black upper, black leather, black patent leather, black rubber, black and red outsole, red air bubble, red check, yellow outline, red laces, LeBron in the middle. But yeah, these are my first pair of LeBrons, man, boys. I like LeBron shoes, but you know what I'm saying? Like, they're hella bulky or whatever. Because, you know, they're made for him, so they're made for a fucking small forward, a big dude. But yeah, I've never had a pair. These are sick. I missed out on the Christmases and the All-Stars, but I figured, why not cop these ones? Inside you have L23, which is LeBron. This is the old crown logo before he switched the logo he uses today. LeBron signature up on the tongue. Yellow fly wire. But yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty clean shoe, pretty dope shoe. Not one you can wear like every day, but like, you know, kind of like a weekend type colorway. You can rock it on the weekends with a nice little fit. Get you some slim jeans, dark jeans, black t-shirt, some red to go with it. But you know what I'm saying? That's about it. It's just real quick, you know what I'm saying? Look, see at this. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.